and welcome to Cyber Saturdays, where we are bringing you innovative IT solutions to help you be cyber smart. These are simple actions that we can take to keep our internet lives safe and secure.
Stay safe by updating your software. Like many people, you might select Remind Me Later when you see an update alert. But think twice before delaying an update. Many software updates are created to fix security risks. By waiting, you leave your personal information open to criminals. Here's how to keep software up to date and stay safer online. 1. Watch for notifications. Your devices like mobile phones, laptops, and anything else that connects to the internet will usually notify you that something needs to be updated. It's important to install all updates, especially for your web browsers and antivirus software. 2. Install updates as soon as possible. When notified about software updates, especially critical updates, make sure you install them as soon as possible. Online criminals won't wait, so you shouldn't either. 3. Turn on automatic updates. This is the easiest way to make sure your devices are up to date and more secure. Look in your device's settings, possibly under Software or Security. You may also be able to search your settings for automatic updates. Turn them on, and updates will happen in the background without you needing to do it. Easy. Technology providers issue software updates to patch security vulnerabilities and protect you from criminals who try to take advantage of those weak spots. However, if you don't install them, they can't protect you. Set up automatic updates right now so you don't miss anything. Updating your software is one way to secure our world. Share these tips and help a friend stay safer too. For more, go to CISA at cisa.gov/secure our world.